Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make boiled chicken for you or your wife's postpartum meal. I don't have any kids yet, but I am due in a couple months, so this is also for my husband to watch when I'm too tired. You're welcome, husband. Please share this video with your baby daddy so he can take care of you after you have worked so hard. We already have to do everything. Can they take care of us for at least 1 month? Start off with making your white rice. Hmong women have all sorts of rules post-pregnancy, and eating as bland as possible with warm white rice is one of them. I shouldn't have to say this, but wash your rice before cooking. Don't forget to flip the switch to cook, because you're going to be in trouble if the rice isn't cooked, but the chicken is when I'm hungry and haven't slept. Anyways, get a pot of water going on the stove while we prepare the chicken that of course you've killed and stocked up in the freezer. Some people like to already pre-portion all their chicken into little baggies, but I kept mine whole for postpartum meals because I'll probably cheat later and boil the chicken whole. Don't be nervous and trust in the knife. Using a sharp and heavy knife will allow you to easily cut through necessary portions of bone, but honestly, there isn't much bone to chop through. I start off with the head. The wings can both be cut at the joints. No need to chop through bone. Same with the thighs. Separate at the joint. My second thigh, I actually detached it with the backbone, so that's why I chopped it. There is a joint where the thigh attaches to the legs that can easily be cut. No need to chop through the bone. It's important to not hesitate when chopping through bone to prevent shards. You want it to be a clean cut. I like to cut my thighs into 3 portions, one of meat only and the bone in half. Then, cut off the neck and both breasts from the backbone. Back to all these Hmong postpartum rules, you should always only eat fresh, hot foods, so it's best to only cook half a chicken at a time so you aren't reheating it over and over again all day. So store the other half of the chicken. Now that your water has begun to rapidly boil, add half the chicken into the pot. While it's boiling, grab your lemongrass and chicken herbs. Since it's the winter time, mine are in the freezer. Note, I like to freeze my herbs in water because I think it helps maintain the color and taste in the freezer. Skim off your broth of impurities before adding your herbs. The impurities are foam particles from leftover blood or other proteins. Now add your lemongrass, salt, and other chicken herbs. Allow to boil for another 10 minutes or so. More rules. If you like eating your chicken broth mixed with your rice, you're out of luck. Well, you can do whatever you want, as long as your mom or mother-in-law aren't looking. Eat ice cream while you're at it. But anyways, keep the rice separate from the broth. Rumor has it that if you drop your rice into the broth, then your baby will have all sorts of whiteheads on their head. Congratulations on the addition to the family. And don't worry, you are doing great. Stay healthy and strong while binge watching the rest of my videos. Take a peek at my latest uploaded video here or my Learn How to Be a Nyako Pa playlist. Thank you for watching.